Alright folks, this is B&J's little farm. Today is harvest day in the garden. Get my juice, my favorite, bay. So, come on Jess, you ready? Well, where's Jess? Oh, oh my goodness, she's in a rush and she ran to the garden. Ew, women, I swear. Alright, on our way out here. Let's see where she's at. I wonder if she is out here. Yeah, she's out here. Oh my goodness. Look at her, guys. She's anxious. She's already out there waiting. My goodness. Look at the big grin on her face. I wonder what she's up to today. Okay, hold on. I'll catch up with her. Be right back. On our way to the garden. Hippity hop, hippity hop. Jess has got a big butt. Hippity hop, hippity hop.
I'm not posting that shit anywhere. There's just something about walking into the garden and realizing all your hard work is starting to pay off. You don't have to stop it. You're...
Let me read it first.
You can't look down.
I read it to see what it says, and today we're going to see just how much we got. Okay, part 2, take 2. And today we're going to go see how much we can get today. Harvest. That's not right. Not really.
Try it again.
And today we're going to go see what we...
Try it again.
Take 4. And today we're going to see just how much we got. Yeah, I read it off the paper.
Okay, try again.
And today we're going to go see how much we can get. Is that it? No, how much we got, not get. Sorry, guys. And today we're going to go see just how much. You don't word these right. And today we're going to go see how much we got.
Okay. There's just something about walking out into your garden and realizing all your hard work is finally paying off.
And today we're going to go see how much we got. Is that better?
There's just something about walking into the garden and starting to see all your hard work paying off.
And today we're going to go see how much we got.
So come to the garden with us and see what we're bringing in.
Keeping the mice out, cat. And what beans are those?
What?
Over here.
Lima beans. Hey, look, there's a kincaid. Get a close up of that.
What is it?
A locust, or I can't pronounce the road name.
Oh, right there. Where's he at? There it is.